that's batteries right there. Be looking for them. That's a bad spot for those. What am I looking for? I am looking for the heat gun, and I'm looking for all my little heat shrink pieces, and I've got no room in here. This compressor needs to go somewhere. I don't know where we're going to set that up. I thought it was going to go in the other shop, but I think it's going to stay in this one. Let's see here. Here is our bits, our connectors. Where the heck's our heat gun though? We got a torch. Worst case scenario, we can use a torch. I don't like to do it at all. And the other thing I have to find now, I'm gonna move this camera because it will get forgotten. But I have to find the connectors, son of I mean, like, oh, there they are. We backed the car up. There they are. Okay. Now that we found them, we still have to get the heat gun. I know. I know we do. Okay. So our new plugs, and this should be very easy wiring. So, fingers crossed. It looks like it's a shared ground. This should be a very simple, it's going to plug and play. Okay, so all we're going to have to do is attach our wires together. Black, blue, and red, and I honestly don't know which is low and which is high. So the best thing to do, I don't know if it even makes a difference, simply because these lights, hey kitty, you helping? Let's see here. Are you helping, kitty? Yeah, so helpful. Okay, so we've got our green, our black, and our red. And I'm going to guess the blue and green are going to go together, and the red is going to go with red, and the black is going to go with the black. That's my guess, my rough guess. I'd love to take this out of the car. And I may go ahead and take it out of the car. We'll see. These are the wires that got smashed. So what I'm actually doing is trying to get covering off of these, and then I'm going to look and check each one and just kind of make sure that we're not getting a bunch of other stuff down in there, a bunch of corrosion, that they weren't leaking. They all look good to me. So again, we decided red to red, blue to green, and then our black is our ground. I'm just making a guess on this, guys. So now one thing I do want to do is make sure none of my wires end up touching, and there's way too much wire right here. So we're going to cut those back because we do not need all that excess. Okay. If they look like they're going to touch it all, we're going to tape them. If it looks like we've kind of got this together where it's not going to be an issue, we're not going to tape them. So we're going to take a look-see here, see where we can maybe lay this where it won't touch anything. That did not work. Might even be able to tuck this down in here like this. As long as they're not getting near touching, we are good. Then we can plug one light in. Okay. well now. Supposed to be the right ones. Yeah. I didn't click it all the way in. It sure looked like it was going. Please tell me they're right. These are not right. These are not feeling. Oh yeah, there they go. Okay, took quite a heavy push. Now remember, we like these. They come with different colored covers. And I think for the testing, you know what? I don't really want to look at it because it is bright. So here we go for the testing phase, guys. Nothing's touching. Hopefully the keys are in here. Keys are in here. Turn it to there. Turn it to the lights. I'm just going to put this window down. So that looks like Lowe's. Man, that's bright. So definitely not wired right. Okay. Or not working right. So, let's see here. We know the red's the low. Question is the green and the black. So I'm going to leave the red with the red because the red went to the upper low beam. And then we're going to do green to blue this time. Right? Nope. Actually, I did that wrong. Black to blue. Let's see what happens with just the black and blue. Lights are off and the lights are on. So that's definitely not right. So now we're going to take the black off. Just for giggles. Okay. So we have nothing on right this minute. Okay, so we're going to check out the, that's not right. Okay. So now we're going to unscrew red. And we'll do red to black this time. That leaves us with blue to the red. Okay, and then nope. Okay, that's both. Man, this is getting a little on the complicated side, guys. And I also don't know why it is doing the, trying to make sure none of my wires touch because everything's live right now. And honestly, I can't see anything. I am blind. Blind. Totally blind. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. So far we're looking good. Okay. Nope. I've done no research online. I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of times I will do some online research. Today I'm just... Okay. I think that's it. Let's see what happens here. I think that is just low. Okay. And that should be high. Still got nothing. Okay. Okay, that gives me high. Oh, because the light shouldn't even be on right now. Shit. Okay, so something's not right. Damn it. Probably popped the fuse. More than likely. Okay. So, green. Let's just do black and red and kick the blue off. Black and red. Okay, so right now the fuses I'm certain popped. Let's find the right fuse. Left could be this 15. Whoa, and it is blown, which I kind of figured. The question is,